Welcome to day 30 of Daily AI Wizard, my incredible wizards. I'm Anastasia, your thrilled guide, and I'm buzzing with pride, ready to celebrate your AI journey with completing the first part, AI Fundamentals, and peek at what's next. This 35-minute finale will amaze you. You won't want to miss a second. Let's celebrate and plan ahead. Isabella, what's your favorite memory?
Hi, I'm Isabella, and I'm thrilled to recap our journey. Every lesson was a gem, and it's inspiring. I'm so ready to reflect with you, Anastasia. This is going to be epic. Let's relive the magic.
Hey, I'm Sophia, and I'm pumped to join you. Our journey was wizardry, and I loved it. I'm teaming up with Ethan to preview our next adventure. It's exciting. Stick with us for this magic.
Ethan here. Our AI path was epic, and I'm stoked to look ahead with Sophia. Let's celebrate our wins. This will inspire you. Get ready for the future.
I'm Olivia, and I'm utterly fascinated by AI in gaming from our journey. I'll recap key moments on slide 4, and I'm thrilled to join you, Anastasia. Gaming AI rocked my world. Let's look back and forward.
Let's recap key themes. We mastered AI fundamentals, machine learning basics, real-world applications, and ethical considerations. This built our AI foundation. I'm thrilled to review it. Let's solidify our knowledge. This guides our future. Isabella, which theme stood out?
Ethics was eye-opening, Anastasia. It shaped my view, and I'm excited. This was a moral lesson. Let's keep it central.
Olivia here, and I'm fascinated by AI in gaming from our journey. We learned supervised and unsupervised learning, neural networks, GANs, AI tools like TensorFlow, and career skills. Gaming AI was my highlight. It's thrilling to see our growth. Anastasia, how did gaming AI impress you?
Great question, Olivia. Gaming AI's realism, like GANs, blew me away. It's like a virtual world. I'm excited to recap with you. This sparks creativity. Let's dive deeper. We hit amazing milestones. We understood AI history, mastered ML algorithms, built demos, and explored ethics. This marks our growth. I'm so proud of our journey. Let's celebrate wins. This builds confidence. Isabella, which milestone excites you?
The demos were my win, Anastasia. Hands-on AI was fun, and I'm thrilled. This was a skill boost. Let's keep creating.
Part 2 highlights Python from basics to advanced, data handling, ML projects, and career apps. This is our skill magic. I'm excited to preview. Let's learn more. This prepares us. Isabella, what excites you?
ML projects thrill me, Anastasia. They're practical, and I'm thrilled. This is a skill leap. Let's dive in.
Prep for Part 2? Review lessons, set goals, join our community, and stay curious. This is our planning magic. I'm thrilled to guide. Let's get ready. This ensures success. Isabella, what's your goal?
Mastering Python, Anastasia. It's my aim, and I'm excited. This is a new challenge. Let's achieve it.
Hey, I'm Sophia. Ethan and I will lead the Python series, sharing tips and guiding projects to inspire your growth. It's going to be wizardry. I'm thrilled to teach. Let's create together. This will elevate you. Ethan, what's your focus?
Ethan here. We'll dive into Python, offering expert guidance for new builds. It's exciting. I'm stoked to code. Let's innovate together. This will boost skills.
Python is perfect for AI. It's easy to learn, has rich libraries, is industry standard, and beginner-friendly. It's our next magic. I'm excited to start. Let's code AI. This opens doors. Ethan, why libraries?
Libraries like TensorFlow make it powerful, Sophia. They speed up AI, and I'm thrilled. Let's use them. This enhances projects.
Part 2 offers step-by-step learning, practical exercises, community support, and career outcomes. It's our growth magic. I'm thrilled to guide. Let's practice AI. This builds success. Ethan, why support?
Community help is key, Sophia. It solves issues, and I'm excited. Let's collaborate. This strengthens learning.
Stay motivated for Part 2. Set small goals, celebrate progress, engage with peers, and keep your AI passion. This is our drive magic. I'm excited to encourage. Let's stay focused. This fuels success. Isabella, how will you stay motivated?
Goals will push me, Anastasia. Celebrating wins excites me, and I'm thrilled. This is a motivation boost. Let's keep the fire.
Join our community, share your journey, ask questions, connect with wizards, and grow together. This is our connection magic. I'm thrilled to unite us. Let's engage. This builds strength. Isabella, why connect?
Sharing inspires me, Anastasia. It's fun, and I'm excited. This is a team lift. Let's stay linked. you.